Stocks in the deep, we have JEM, WVE, SSKN, and BSLK. We'll begin with JEM down 28.83%. It is one of such companies you have to be very careful with. You have to be very careful. Hasn't Doesn't have enough data. Hasn't been trading that long. Started trading early June. However, projections are saying um, 0.6277 and then upper projection of 2.32. Yeah, intraday high 4 what was that? 4.23 printed in August. Yeah, not long ago, a couple of days ago. Yeah. Okay, we haven't found any news behind this plunge. Let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart for JEM. No extrapolations here as well, but we have projections. We have down projections. The algos are expecting lower prices to keep printing as of now. Earlier on, a couple of hours ago in this session, in the pre-market session, it had that 33.85, 4.72, 5.26, and even higher prices before now. Yeah, 4.65, 5.52, 6.06. 7.85, 9.1, 9.86, but I think lower prices may continue to print. If it bounces, it's for another rug pull to happen. So just be careful on this one. Just be careful, really careful. Let's see. On the line side, the everything is severely bearish right now. Everything is severely bearish, indicating that there's a good chance that at least for the next one or two trading sessions, the stock is has the probability of remaining below its 10 and 21 period moving averages. That is 2.12 and 2.27. So that probability is there. It could bounce, but don't rely on that at all. So let's see what's going on with WVE. WVE down 18.63%. Let's see. Let's find out about the company. Intraday low in this session, 7.12. It's a pharmaceutical company. Let's see. Wave Life Sciences says RNA-editing therapy achieves durable serum AAT protein production. Let's see why is it down then? Okay. The company said that its experimental RNA editing therapy WVE-006 achieved a durable production of a serum AAT protein at levels linked to a lower risk of alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency, liver, and lung disease after repeat 200 milligram doses in an ongoing phase 1B of a 2-year trial. The company said the data from the 200 milligram and 400 milligram cohorts support monthly or less frequent dosing, with the 400 milligram multi-dose cohort showing potential to achieve higher serum AAT levels. Data from the 400 milligram multi-dose group are expected in the first quarter of next year. Wave Life cited one outlier case showing marked up upregulation of M-AAT protein, which is protective of lung function production, which is protective of lung function production in a patient experiencing a kidney stone stress response. Okay, so 1 year for 1 year is over the last 1 year has gained 67%, and over the last 1 month 8.82. We'll see what the chart is saying about the stock. Where is this company incorporated? Okay, yeah, let's have a look here. It's been showing weakness since the 25th of August. That was Monday, exactly last week. So let's see the underlying trend. It looks bullish here on the yeah, okay. Okay. Underlying trend is bearish now. So weakness is expected to keep playing out up till Friday, and then after that we might get a bounce. Might get a bounce that might take it to the highs of $10 or thereabouts. No guarantee that that will be the case. Currently, projections are saying 8.42, slight upper projection, but as of yesterday, I had 8.42, 8.74, 9.25, 10.68, 11.78, 12.42. The line trend is bearish, and okay, all the moving averages on this chart, the ones we have 10 and 21 day moving averages are severely bearish. However, their derivatives are positive. The algos are saying that the bounce might occur. Okay, let's have a look at SSKN. Okay, SSKN down 21.55. Let's see. SSKN. Okay, let's see about the company, Strata Skin Sciences. Okay, it's a US company. Okay, let's see. Intraday high 4.51 printed yesterday. Let's see what we have. Okay, I think today it's a correction of pulling back. Is it pulling back from yesterday's gains? Yeah, it is pulling back from yesterday's gains, and then the downtrend, the correction or the contraction is expected to keep playing out up till Tuesday, the 23rd of September. Um, yeah, the stock is still in trend mode. The 10 and 21 day moving averages are still in trend mode as things stand right now. Let's see whether there's no further news. Projections are saying 1.66. Earlier on, we had 1.84, 2.13, 2.55, 2.81, 2.97. This intraday low, this intraday high is 4.51. So, yeah, I think it's just giving up. It's just contracting the expansion that it wasn't just yesterday. It began on exactly it's about last week, 26th of August. That was when that expansion began. It cooled off somewhat on Thursday the 28th. Yeah, so just a contraction of the expansion, shots, the profit taking, if you like, and much more. So let's look at BSLK. BSLK down 21.37, intraday low 2.81. BSLK. Okay, let's find out. Both Project Holdings Inc. Okay, it's a US company. Okay, we didn't check for the news, for any possible news. No, okay, some disclosures there. Let's see. Okay, August 22nd, prospectus for resale of up to 913,979 shares by selling shareholders. Let's see, did they give any date for this? No date. Okay, I think we're still dealing with the contraction of the expansion. That yeah, it was a steep one. We're still dealing with that, and projections are saying 15.22 and 3.92. Currently trading at 2.97 right now. I can imagine that yeah, severely bearish on the 10-day moving average. However, even with this amount of decline, the contraction has been in place since the 14th of August. The 10-day move, the 21-day moving average still in a trend mode. So it ran up an immense amount of expansion here. Let's see, this was on the 13th. Yeah, on the 13th. Yeah, okay, not so immense, but maybe for a daily chart, 48, this is quite high, maybe, I guess. Yeah, still holding some of that momentum, but the 10-day moving average, which is faster than the 21-day, has gone severely bearish. But this is still in trend mode. Trend mode is from 0.25, but it doesn't mean that a bounce has occurred, a bottom has been found. But the derivatives are positive, indicating that it's holding up. But at the same time, it could also be that yeah, it's gradually decaying, which is, I mean, no doubt about that. That's what has been going on. On the 4-hour chart, extrapolation is saying that weakness will continue up till next week, Monday the 8th of September. Then after that, we might get a bounce. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 11.28. Severely bearish down here, I believe it is. Yeah, severely bearish. Severely bearish. So have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.